Hey guys, what's up? My name is Cruz Merchant and welcome to Cruz Films. So today I have my Marin Hawkhill and I'm going to give you a bike check. So this is the Marin Hawkhill. It's an extra small frame. My rear shock is a RockShox Monarch. And my fork is the Fox 32. My tires on this bike are a Maxxis DHR and a Schwalbe hand door. My brakes on this bike are Shimano doors. I love these brakes. These brakes have really good power. They're 2-piston brakes, so they're good. Let's move on to the seat post and seat. This is the descent drop. I have a descent dropper post, a Marin quick lock seat post, a Marin seat. My drivetrain on this bike is a Shimano derailleur, cassette, and chain, and then I have Marin crankset. My pedals on this bike are Rock Bros. The cockpit, I have Rock Bros grips, Marin handlebars, and stem. So that was my bike check. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and comment if you didn't like the video or you liked it. So thanks. Bye.